I'm Leah Henk, and I serve as president for Freedom from USA. And as we've come to the end of this year, it has been a truly amazing year with several just milestones, Ebenezer's that we put up of, thus far has the Lord helped. We crossed the 1,000th girl rescued in August, and we saw four very significant convictions. It's we've been working now for 16 years, I believe, and in that time, I think we've had about 21 convictions. And so, there sometimes a year goes by without a single conviction, or you're celebrating one or two. But this year we saw four come in quick succession in different regions. And while that is our smallest number, it's also one of our most powerful numbers because we see the incredible impact, just the nuclear impact that even one conviction can have to transform a region. And so that has been a huge point of celebration for us. Um, and so, yeah, we're grateful for everyone who has been partnering with us, especially NPC, has partnering with us for such a very long time because, one of these convictions that came is after 8 years of following this case. And so these are long fought battles, and so we are grateful for the partners who stand with us for such a long time faithfully. Um, in terms of prayer of what we're looking forward to, um, we we both celebrated and then continue to need to press in. I've spoken to you all before about our work in Madhya Pradesh, which is an area of just endemic child prostitution villages that earn their livelihood off of that. We had seen in the three areas that we work, there was no cooperation for many months. Could not succeed in getting a girl rescued. Uh, Police were unwilling, or else would tip off the raid, and so it just was not successful. Then we saw God answer prayer, and all three of the chief police superintendents of those regions were transferred, bringing in new. It's one way to fight corruption in areas is they'll transfer an official. And so in all three of those areas, a new official came in, and that was huge. That's what we hope to see when you're not getting that cooperation. So we were able to meet with them. We were very quickly able to rescue a 14-year-old girl. Um, and so we were praising God for that breakthrough last month. However, the battle was not over, and it came up against a lot of uh, just opposition against that raid. And in the end, the police did release the girl and not file a charge sheet. And so we again lost the battle. Um, but it's not over. We continue to press in. And so asking you guys to continue to pray with us for breakthrough in Madhya Pradesh, where it's this deeply rooted and generational bondage. Then we did have another praise of one of the harder areas of our work to get professional development in is for our investigators. But also last month around Thanksgiving, we were able to bring in someone who gave a week-long training to our investigators and just kind of helping them to hone their skills. So we're praying for fruit from that, as we'll be believing God for that in the coming year. And then I think just generally for favor in all regions. We work closely with the government in all different agencies, and so we need favor in those places. We need uh, in some places they do call us when there's a need. In other places they avoid and don't want to cooperate, but we continue to press on. But just generally asking for prayer for favor with officials and for cooperation and for this the exploitation of young girls to be able to be stopped. So, thank you.